You use Google every day to find answers. You look for solutions, you look for fun, but did you know that you can use this to make a lot of money online? Yes, there is a website that pays you to use Google. And you can use it on your phone, on your laptop or computer, and you can do it wherever you live. You may do it from your bed, on the beach, while waiting in line, and in your own house anywhere in the world. If you watch this video all the way through until the end, I'll show you how to accomplish this in a step-by-step tutorial, and as a result of that, you can start making money right away. But before we begin, please leave a like, a thumbs up, subscribe, and also hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the new Make Money Online ideas that I will be posting here every single day. And as always, I'll go over each step with you, and I want you to follow along with me. So after watching this video, you'll actually not be wasting your time and you will be making some money at the end of it. So simply pay attention and follow all the steps. I promise you guys they are so easy, and all you have to do is just give this a chance and start doing it. Keep in mind that this will be quite simple because we will only be using two websites. The first website will simply be Google, and I'll show you the second one in a moment. There is no affiliate marketing in this video, and you will not be required to sell anything. This is not Shopify, it's not MLM, it's not some famous marketer at all. And if you want me to explain it to you step by step, I'd love to show you exactly and show you the same exact methods that a lot of people are actually using right now to make significant money online, and they do not have to go and physically work somewhere. Anyway, let's get right into the video. So the first step for you is to simply open Google and leave it there. Okay, so this is the major website that we will be using in conjunction with Google. So we can make more money by searching on Google. But you must continue to watch, because if you just go to the website and try to figure out on your own, you will be kind of lost, because I'm going to show you an easy Google trick that will allow you to make a lot more money with this website and this method. So I'm going to show you how to combine those two websites to get money simply by searching Google. And I'm going to show you exactly how this works. And if you follow every step in this video, trust me, you will be ready to generate money by the end. And as I previously said, as you can see, this website has collaborated with some of the world's largest corporations. So yeah, it's worth it. They've collaborated with Pepsi, Johnson & Johnson, Amazon, Starbucks, Disney, Adidas, and so many more big companies. And as you can see here, there are some of the world's largest companies, and consider how much money can be made with a simple single search. You can start making $16, $100, $800, and so on and so forth. There's a lot of money to be made in this business, and all you have to do is sign up for this website called mindsumo.com. So first thing you need to do is sign up by clicking on this button right here. Because you do not have an account yet, select I do not yet have an account. You can register for free. Simply put in your first name, last name, email address, make a unique password, and then select your birth date, gender, and then rate yourself in the following skill areas. As a result of all of this, you will need to choose between creativity, marketing, and technical talents. This is entirely optional, but I recommend that you choose something like average proficiency or above average. Regardless of your actual skill, you don't have to have experience in any of those fields, because this will increase your chances of making more money. So I would choose average proficiency, and again average proficiency. After filling up my information, now there will be questions like why are you interested in using MindSumo, and what kinds of projects do you want to work on the most. Now we only answer those questions like this one. The first one, because it's better to train your mind by searching for anything or simply answering a question by searching for it somewhere. And the other question, here it is, you're interested in a variety of subjects, which shows that you can answer a variety of questions where you can get paid right here. You don't have to check these three boxes, because doing so will enroll you up for their email list, and that's really not good because they'll keep sending you spam emails. You don't want to get those spam emails, and it's just gonna ruin your inbox. So all you have to do is tick these boxes, accept the terms and conditions, and agree to their privacy policy. You may read by clicking on these links, and this one, which is to avoid plagiarism on your work, and then just click on I'm not a robot, complete the task, which is in this instant like this, and then you can just click sign up and have an account in mindsumo.com. That was very easy. Now if you get into your account account and log in, scroll down a little bit and you'll find all of these different challenges, questions, and projects that you can answer and get paid for. And as you can see, they pay anywhere from a few $100s to thousands of dollars. And basically on the left hand side, you'll be able to see numerous categories from which to choose. So there will undoubtedly be enough of money to be made on these platforms because fresh questions, ideas, and challenges are submitted on a daily basis on this website. Let me show you some of my previous work. For example, if I open this one over here, we'll be able to see how much money people have made solely from this channel. And as you can see, the total budget for the top was $10,000 and there were 10 top answers with the top 10 answers splitting their money. And as you can see, they each receive $1,000. So if you're in the top 5, you'll almost certainly be able to make that $1,000. In this instance, it will be much more than that. But bear with me so I can show you that simple Google method and how you will be paid by searching Google. Anyway, I'd want to return here and choose some of these categories. Let's take computer science as an example. Then simply choose any of these initiatives that appeal to you, and you will be entered into that project. So you can see right here, they're going to ask you a question. This is the major question that we must answer in order to win a share of $1,100. So what exactly is that Google trick? So here's what you're supposed to do. You'll need to copy this question right here, then go to Google and paste it right here. So we can look for an answer on Google. You can read through all of these articles, for example, this one, and see if there's an answer to our topic. So once again, this was the question that we chose from that challenge, and as you can see, this is exactly what we're after. They're showing examples of what might look like. So if this is responded professionally, it will most likely be one of the top answers here. And did you notice how simple that was? All we did was copy this. I went to Google, typed in that question, and I've got an answer right here. The next thing I need to do is expand on the answer. So how did you go about doing that? I go back to Google and search for Google Docs. So look for Google Docs, open it on this page, docs.google.com. This is the company's official webpage. Now right here, click blank and then return to the story. Then copy and paste some of the answers here, then go back and copy another one. So the longer your answer, the better your chances of making more money. The more meaningful your answer is, the better. And now, of course, you can add this, change the font, change the colors, maybe change some words, like instead of this, I can just use this word. As you can see, it's completely adjustable and it's quite simple. Simply Google the question and edit it in Google Docs, and when you're finished, simply click File, go to Download, and then save as a PDF document. When you open that document, it will look somewhat like this. And as you can see, it's really professional, and after you have it on your computer, simply return here and submit your answer, and you will most likely receive a share of the winning prize. Keep in mind that you will not receive the entire prize. Instead, you will be required to share it with the other participants that are in the top 10. But as you can see, it was quite simple to do, and it only took Google less than 5 minutes to uncover the entire solution. I found the answer in less than 5 minutes by just searching on it for Google, and now I have the opportunity to win a share of the total prize. This project has now been completed, as evidenced by the fact that it is no longer visible for you. So I would have to discover something that's genuinely open and then submit my answers. Of course, this does not guarantee that you will always be the winner of the challenge and receive a portion of the prize, but it's extremely simple, and if you simply search on Google for a few minutes, and as I already stated, you can do it from anywhere in the world, so why not do it in your leisure time and earn some extra cash? That concludes today's video. I hope you guys found some value in this, and if you did, please give this video a big like, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any new videos that I upload daily. And as always, I'll see you guys tomorrow for a new video. Take care.